Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be installing some coilovers on an 06 to 2011 Hyundai Accent. Only the first part of this video is filmed vertically, the rest is filmed horizontally. It's just this first unboxing part. The car will already be on jack stands with the wheels off, and we will not be recommending any torque specs due to just saving time in the video. We're going to start by removing the rear lower shock bolt. Now we're just going to pop the springs out quick. Yep, you got it. Now you can install the spring and the fastener that holds it through the bottom. Now we're going to give it a generous coat of fluid film or surface shield to help prevent rust and prevent it from rotting out. As well as on the collars of the actual coilover itself. We then put coilover covers over the coilovers. We then held it in there and bolted it in by hand. Ensure you torque to spec. We then drilled holes through the shock towers so that we could adjust the dampening without having to remove the strut from the vehicle to adjust it. We then jacked up the rear subframe so that we could connect the lower rear strut. We will then remove all necessary bolts shown in this first clip in the front. Okay, now up top we're going to remove the 3 nuts holding the strut in.
Key part, drop bolts under car.
Then after removing the strut and installing the new one in that spot, you can hold it up and thread the nuts back on. Again, ensure you're torquing to spec. Then reinstall all the same bolts in the same spots you took them out. Make sure you zip tie and cover the coilover and fluid film it. We had to zip tie the brake line due to the coilover being so low that the brake line connector part did not work. And there you go, that is coilovers installed on a 2006 to 2011 Hyundai Accent. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video or learned something, and have a great day.